A customer asked if one PC can display two different contents on two separate screens. Yes, absolutely. This feature is perfect for restaurants, cafés, and service counters. One screen can be used for office or POS operations, while the other screen displays menus, promotions, and digital signage for customers. Let's see how it works. Before we begin, please note that the dual screen feature is only available in instant playback mode. To enable it, go to Settings and turn on the dual screen option. Once enabled, you'll be able to create and display different content on two separate screens. Go to Settings, General, then enable the dual screen option. Once the dual screen feature has been enabled, return to the home page and select Instant Playback Mode. You will now see the Extended Display Settings option appear. Choose your preferred display orientation, either landscape or portrait. Add the content you want to display. You can enable or disable them and choose whether the content should appear on the main display, the extended display, or both. The settings below are the same as the regular instant playback mode. If you would like to learn more, please watch our step-by-step tutorial video for instant playback mode. In this example, I'll create two different content layouts and display them separately on two screens. Both the main display and extended display will be enabled. Add the content to each display accordingly. Don't forget to add content to the extended display as well. Otherwise, the second screen will error during playback. Now, click Play Now to see the result. To help you see both displays at the same time, I recorded the second screen using my phone. The smaller video window shows the content being played on the extended display. Another example is using the main display for everyday office work, while the extended display continuously plays digital signage content for customers. So, let's disable the main display. As you can see, the extended display is playing digital signage content, while the main display remains available as a regular desktop for daily work. How can you identify the main display and the extended display? Simply click the display setting and click Identify button. A display number will appear on each screen, allowing you to easily determine which screen is set as the main display and which is the extended display. You can also choose which screen will be used as the main display here. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of SmartScheduler. For more information, please contact us.